Inserting and formatting images. To insert and format images, click on the Insert tab, select Pictures, and choose the image you want to add from the available options. You choose a picture from your device, stock images, or online. After selecting an image, you can resize it by selecting one of its pointers and dragging it to the size you want. You can move it around to find the perfect spot by clicking and holding down your left mouse button inside the picture and dragging it to the new location. You can format the picture by right-clicking on it and selecting the Format Picture options. This tab offers you the options to adjust the fill and line, effects, layout, and picture properties. We will deal with these in more details later on. Images add life to your documents, and with word formatting options, you can make them truly stand out.